Happy?
Why? For Tony?
That's why.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Just like the calm before the storm. He's slept all day. Uh-oh. Oh, excuse me.
Tonight you have to
Tonight I have to what?
take more blanket. Otherwise too cold. Just twice. So cold.
Come on, Tony, yawn. Oh, he did such a good yawn before. I wish I had it on video. It was such a cute yawn. I'm thinking of doing something, 'cause I'm gonna be a smart boy. There we go. Aww. Ooh. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yawn. There we go. That's what I wanted. The yawn. So that was the money shot. Ooh.
The flash?
No flash.
No red
There
light.
he goes. Okay.
No red light.